Athenies Angels, where healing takes flight. In the face of tragedy, Athenies Angels emerges as a beacon of hope, a sanctuary for those grappling with the weight of mental illness. Birthed from the profound loss of a beloved daughter, this organization stands as a testament to the transformative power of compassion and understanding. Here, young minds can find solace, guidance, and the courage to embark on their healing journey, embracing the truth that even the darkest storms can give way to the warmth of new beginnings. Our mission, guiding lights in the darkness. Shatter the stigma. We actively work to eradicate the stigma and judgment surrounding mental illness, fostering an environment where open conversations can thrive without fear or shame. Promoting mental well-being. Our mission is rooted in raising awareness, providing education, and encouraging healthy behaviors that contribute to overall mental wellness and resilience. Unwavering support. We offer a safe haven for those affected by mental illness, extending our support not only to individuals but also to their families and loved ones, ensuring no one walks this journey alone. The heartbeat of our work. Promoting prevention. Through targeted campaigns and community outreach, we strive to promote the prevention and control of mental illnesses, contributing to the overall health and well-being of individuals and communities. Advocacy and awareness. We tirelessly advocate for medical research, treatment, and care, raising awareness and encouraging open dialogues to improve health outcomes and reduce the stigma surrounding mental health. Empowering support. Our comprehensive range of services, including counseling, support groups, mindfulness practices, and meditation, empower individuals to take charge of their mental well-being and navigate their unique journeys with confidence. Resiliency building. Forging inner strength. Identifying strengths. The first step in our resiliency program is to help individuals recognize their inherent strengths, enabling them to build upon their natural abilities and cultivate a foundation of self-confidence. Coping strategies. Through various psychological techniques and exercises, we equip participants with effective coping strategies to navigate adversity, stress, and challenges, fostering a mindset of resilience and perseverance. Support network. Building a strong support network is crucial for long-term resilience. We encourage participants to establish healthy connections and foster a sense of belonging within a community that understands and uplifts them. The power of emotional intelligence, self-awareness. The journey begins with cultivating self-awareness, enabling individuals to recognize and understand their own emotions, thought patterns, and behaviors, laying the foundation for personal growth. Empathy and understanding. Developing empathy and understanding is the next step, fostering the ability to recognize and respond to the emotions of others, creating meaningful connections and strengthening interpersonal relationships. Emotional regulation. With self-awareness and empathy, individuals can learn to manage and regulate their emotions effectively, reducing stress and promoting overall well-being in both personal and professional contexts. Healing through art. Art therapy provides a safe and nurturing space for individuals to express themselves freely, without the constraints of words, allowing them to explore and process their emotions in a unique and powerful way. Supportive community. Our art therapy program fosters a sense of community, where individuals can share their experiences, receive encouragement, and find solace in the knowledge that they are not alone in their journey. Personal growth. Beyond self-expression, art therapy encourages personal growth, self-discovery, and the development of new perspectives, empowering individuals to explore their emotions, thoughts, and experiences in a safe and supportive environment. Embracing the written word. Our mental wellness-focused book club provides a space for individuals to connect over literature that delves into the complexities of mental health, fostering a sense of community and understanding. Sparking conversations. Through thoughtful discussions, participants can explore diverse perspectives, challenge preconceived notions, and gain insights into the multifaceted nature of mental illness and well-being. Empathy and awareness. By immersing ourselves in stories that explore mental health themes, we cultivate empathy, understanding, and awareness, breaking down stigmas and promoting acceptance and inclusivity. Personal growth. The book club serves as a catalyst for personal growth, encouraging participants to reflect on their own experiences, emotions, and perspectives, fostering self-discovery and personal transformation. Workshops. Celebrating mental wellness. Our workshops offer a space for creative expression, where participants can explore various art forms, such as painting, drawing, or sculpting, as a means of self-discovery and emotional release. Mindfulness and meditation. We provide guided mindfulness and meditation sessions, teaching participants techniques to cultivate present moment awareness, reduce stress, and promote overall well-being. Supportive community. Our workshops foster a sense of community, where individuals can share their experiences, offer encouragement, and find solace in the knowledge that they are not alone on their journey. Mental health education. Through interactive and engaging activities, we aim to raise awareness, provide information, and educate participants on various aspects of mental health, promoting a deeper understanding and encouraging healthy behaviors. Reaching out, the first step. Breaking the silence. We understand that taking the first step and reaching out can be daunting, but we encourage individuals to break the silence and share their struggles, no matter how small or insignificant they may seem. A listening ear. Our team is comprised of compassionate and understanding individuals who are ready to listen without judgment, offering a safe space for individuals to express their fears, anxieties, and concerns. By reaching out, individuals can access our comprehensive support network, which includes counseling services, support groups, and various resources tailored to their specific needs. Empowerment. Reaching out is an act of courage and self-empowerment, as it signifies a willingness to take control of one's mental well-being and embark on a journey towards healing and personal growth. Strengthening family bonds. Understanding and empathy. We recognize that mental health challenges not only impact the individual, but also their loved ones. Through educational workshops and support groups, we aim to foster understanding and empathy within families, creating a safe and supportive environment for open communication. Coping strategies. Navigating a loved one's mental health journey can be overwhelming. We provide families with practical coping strategies and tools to manage their own emotions, while also learning how to effectively support their loved ones without sacrificing their own well-being. Healing together. Ultimately, our goal is to help families heal together. By creating a strong support system and fostering open dialogue, we empower families to embrace their unique challenges, celebrate their strengths, and navigate their journey with compassion and resilience.